of all, peak performance as a workshop is one of the finest that Welingkar brings onto the local students, because now in the performance market it's very competitive. So everybody looks for new things, what they're doing, what they're not doing, how they can improve themselves. The question of ability and willingness plays a pivotal role. Plus also industry is looking into push them for peak performance. A concept generally coined from sport, from the book by Timothy Galway, The Inside Game of Tennis, which is one of the high-selling book and one of the biggest concept talks about peak performance. It talks about a lot of in detail understanding from how to scale my performance up, how to scale my process up, how do my mind and body, cohorts towards the peak performance and all these things.
Or the work which is given by my company to perform, and for peak performance, how best I work for them and for the roles which I have been assigned and the work which I have been assigned to on the peak point. I mean, the best version of that.
Performance is like my career and my skills combined together and doing any task is my performance. And expectation from this, how I will, because I'm a manager, so understand other staff people also what is their performance and to know my performance grade.
Hi everyone, so I'm going to speak about today's workshop, which was on peak performance, which I think it is one of the very important topic to be discussed, especially for someone like us who's working. So it was one of the amazing workshops, and I would like to thank Welingkar, for arranging this kind of workshop for us. The best part of this workshop was, we get to know a lot of industry knowledge, case studies, and current affairs. Maybe I can say that. So the workshop was amazing. I can rate 5 on 5. My name is Reema Mishra. I am currently working as a HR manager. I lead a talent acquisition team globally. I am from JA 23 batch, and my specialization is going to be human resources.